the stars are docking Princess Alice. That should be worth watching in this wind.
Docking a liner can be a hazardous business for tugs, especially with cross currents and the danger of this high wind. Usually the liner can assist, but the Princess Alice couldn't do much due to the damage to her rudder. With all their expertise and experience, the Star Tug team were finding her very difficult to keep under their control.
What's happening back there? Come on, Stars! She's not responding, Hercules! The wind's too strong!
I can't hold her much longer!
Hop hard, everybody!
We're pulling full steam, can't do no more!
We need another tug. Just one more and do it.
Sorry I can't help. I'm needed in case of fire.
Come on, lads. Hold it, Devil.
Oh, look out, I'm in trouble!
Come on, somebody.
We're losing it! Will we cross between ship and quayside?
This is too human. Switches!
Zebedee! Oh, thanks, just in time. You're a lifesaver!
Thank you, Zebedee. She's under control again.
Oh, hey, thanks, Zebedee.
Zero will have my boiler for this.
Aye, thank you, Zebedee.
Thank you, Zebedee.
Thanks, Zebedee.
Zebedee going soft in the head or something? Oh, the idiot.
Zoran couldn't understand Zebedee. The Zeds were out to beat the Stars, not to help them beat the Zed stacks.